Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to remove a device from TikTok. To remove a device from your TikTok account, so open TikTok and tap your profile in the bottom right. Next, tap the menu, which the three line at the top right. Click on that. Then go to settings and privacy. Next, under account, tap security and permissions. Then from here, select manage devices. So you'll see a list of devices currently logged into your account. Then tap remove next to the device you want to sign out or the delete icon and tap on remove to confirm the action. So before you can remove the device, you need to verify if it's really you. So you can verify through your phone number or through your email. Select one and click on next and enter the 6-digit code and it will be removed. And that's basically it. So again, you just need to go to settings and privacy, then scroll down and go to security and permissions under account and go to manage devices and just click the delete icon to remove the device. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.